Here's a Russell Breeden autococker. Russell's company was RKB Engineering. He was out of Florida. He played on the Doom Troopers, and then he played on Team Sasquatch, and he later played on the Jacksonville Warriors. This is a very early Minicocker. It's P-blocked, cut down in the front from a standard autococker. Likely production year on this Doom Troopers Minicocker is 93 to 94. Pro Team Products introduced the Micromag in 1994, early 1994, according to Russell Breeden. And the first event that the Micromag was used at was most likely the Splat 1 Indoor Championships in February of 1994. And around that time, Russell Breeden likely changed the feed neck on his machine Minicockers to the Pro Team's Micromag style, which slide on. So I would date this Minicocker before 1994. It's cut at the side of the feed. You can see right here where it's cut. It does not use an inline regulator, so it's sprung, I guess you would say, for high pressure air. It takes a tank at 800 psi, screwed in, most likely CO2 at the time, and that's going straight into your sledgehammer. Your sledgehammer handles that and outputs it to the three-way and the ram. This Doom Trooper autococker does have Russell's three-way, and it does have Russell's aluminum-bodied ram. Russell made the first aluminum-bodied rams and the aluminum-bodied three-ways, and WGP later used his style for likely their STO pneumatics that probably came out in 94, 95, but Russell was actually doing these in 92, 93. I think 92, 93 for the three-way. This is the earlier of his two styles, I believe, and probably slightly after that for the ram. A couple of neat features on this autococker are Russell's bolt pin. It's like a kind of a galvanized looking steel color, and he has a very specific bolt that his autocockers used. We can see it's a very slimmed down bolt. So this is a Russell Breeden bolt. He also has, pretty much unique to his autocockers, are this brass cocking rod's end. Has the earlier pot style slide frame. It's a very heavy trigger pull, it's a very heavy mainspring and a very heavy valve spring to handle the high input air or the high pressure input. And so you can see kind of the tension of the springs as I struggle to cock this back. Don't know who the beaver tail was made by, although I think it was MPM. It's a UK company. I believe that's who made this. It's not the same matte finish as the rest of the autococker. Has the WGP Lapco style grips, which I believe Colin told me he sold those molds to Bud. And we can see it has the Stage 3 machine Minicocker milling right here, which is kind of that swoop on the body. Other neat modifications on this Minicocker are sear adjustment slot drilled on top, P-block, side input for the valve. Doesn't have 8th MPT in the bottom of the front block. Chrome plated thick steel pre-98 trigger. And that's what I'm seeing just looking at it right now. There is no Minicocker serial number on this body, so it was likely cut down from a full body.